So what is the function of outer covering? It protects the egg. So this is eggshell. Okay. So come on, write, draw and do labeling with me. Eggshell. Right? After eggshell we are having a white jelly-like structure. Okay, this is white jelly-like structure and this is egg white, which is also known as albumin. Come on, mark with me. Albumin, it is also known as egg white. Then we are having yolk. What is the function of yolk? Yolk contains food for the embryo which will be developing inside the egg. Now albumin, I am writing with another pink. Albumin is rich in proteins. It is rich in proteins. Whereas yolk is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals. Children, write with me, don't waste time. So this is the structure of egg. Mainly it contains three things. Eggshell, function of eggshell is to protect the egg. Second, albumin, white jelly-like structure, rich in proteins. Yellow structure, yolk, rich in fat, vitamins and minerals. They provide nutrition to the developing embryo. Then children, what happens is the mother sits on the egg. Why she sits on the egg? To keep the egg warm. It keeps the egg warm by sitting on it. And after about 21 days, the little chick comes out. The little child comes out. This process is known as hatching. This process is known as hatching. When the young ones come out of the egg, that is known as hatching. And this process is known as incubation. When the mother sits on the eggs to keep the eggs warm, this process is known as incubation. Come on, mark this in your textbook. It is known as incubation. And the next process was known as, when the baby comes out, this is known as hatching.